kick. There you go.
I'll wipe my phone now.
Let me finish cutting it. I think that blade is toast. Yep, we're just going to go ahead and mount that on the Maverick. Now that we drained it out, we'll put fresh water in it before we install it. Don't even get through it. The tip. Man, this thing's getting soaked. Damn, you suck. Whew, fuego. See? Fuego. Alright, let's see if we can get it out. Damn, I didn't know if it was water.
Is that trash? I'll take that. Nice.
Yeah.
Yep. Let's pull the water out.
Fresh Maverick exhaust. Trash.
It's you now. Scoos, 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 scoos.
And his obsession with old cars.
Yeah.
We got our
Right
jack.
to the front.
We have our new shop floor. Well, kind of rolls.
It's pre-packed.
That's a big fat jack to just be rolling on dirt.
This dirt's come a long way. It used to not be this packed at all.
Huh?
This dirt did not used to be this packed.
What?
The dirt
Oh.
did not used to be this
Yeah,
packed.
you dug it.
Yeah.
It's actually kind of high up here.
Yeah, this is the mound.
Dumbass dog.
Look, we got an orb weaver. He's just being an orb. Okay.
It has a frame rail that I can. Shut up. It has a frame rail that I can use here. No one.
You know what I'm on. Oh, you just get the front. That's nice.
I'm just gonna lift the whole car up.
Ah, it smells like dog pee. Look at this. Dirt. Be nice. Look at this. It's been cleaned. Look at this.
It was never dirty. Yeah.
The weeds, though.
I
Scally.
need someone snitching me out for having weeds.
Look at it just go up in the air. It looks like it's about to rocket into space.
Pretty solid. Where's the gun?
On the trailer. Do you get an ache in your toes when you gotta need to crack them? You crack your toes?
Toes, no, but in the middle of my foot, it won't stop. Also the ankle.
Cool.
Middle of what? Define the middle of your toes.
Like, you know when you wanna
The
squeeze
middle
your
of
toes?
each individual toe?
Yeah. Like, it feels like it's just been like
Yeah.
worn
End
out,
of the
and
day.
I just gotta crack them.
Ah.
Spider?
Well, yeah. Not a mongoose. Oh. We'll do the flat one on that side.
It went zoop. Let me get it from that side.
Yeah. Perfect. Now for the other one.
Man, the speaker's really nice. I like it.
It works. I like it.
That was not the dog.
What?
That was not the dog. That was like something else. That just
Oh.
ran through.
Cat running. Oh, this is like the crazy wheel for sure. Because it doesn't fit. It's crazy wheel now.
It actually legit doesn't fit.
Unless you get the lug nuts, maybe. Probably needs the lug nuts. Where are those at?
From the front. Move. We got a drone. We got a drone. We need lug nuts. So you have weird ones. I don't understand.
So for that one, I might have 5 lug nuts, but I'm definitely gonna scrape the rust off before just driving a fucking nut, because that stuck it and then that was it. That front wheel is not coming off, but no more. Just drive it though, I'm sure. It'll probably feel like way nice. We need to have like a lug nut center, because we have a lot of cars with different lug nuts. So we need like a place where we can just put the extras, because there'll be extras and shit. Just like this happens, because these lug nuts are just gonna go wherever for now, because these are gonna go in this place. We're not gonna use all these either. I'll put 3 of them on. Look like shit. No washers? Nope. One of them has a fucking washer. Oh, there is washers. Jesus Christ. A weird wheel design. What do I know? Getting to line up is gonna be fucking difficult.
I can't wait for like main station music and all that stuff. It's gonna be crazy. It'll be fun.
And finally, I don't know.
5 days of chilling.
Kinda.
You reminded Lewis to.
Yeah, he knows.
Okay. Then yeah. My toes.
They're really big.
Cool. Is your mat? Is there squishy mat here or no?
Somewhere. It's not right here though. I don't know. I'll go this way.
Squishy mat's right here.
I guess the spider can keep it for now. Takes care of it better than anybody else.
Yeah.
I just wanted my pieces.